Presenting boAt Rockerz 255 Pro Plus Bluetooth in-ear neckband. It is available in active black, cosmic grey, furious blue, maroon madness, maverick maroon, moon white, navy blue, pitch black, purple haze, space blue, stunning black and teal green colors. Lithium polymer batteries power these in-ear neckband up to 60 hours of playback. The unbeatable boAt signature sound shines through no matter what are you playing courtesy its 10mm drivers. Comes with an IPX7 rating to protect from water and splash. This neckband is powered by Bluetooth 5.2. Its multifunction integrated controls lends an intuitive listening experience with volume increase and decrease and stop and play buttons. The box includes a Rockerz 255 Pro Plus neckband, additional earbuds, one charging cable, user manual and a warranty card. It comes with ASAP charge feature where you will get up to 10 hours of audio time by charging the neckband for 10 minutes.